Hello and welcome to Virat. Today is not only motorcycle review. Today is our travel vlog series. As we promised, we have start our travel series. So my name is Pranay and he's my brother Vinay. So finally we reach here. You can see there's a beautiful white building in front of me. It's called the Asiatic Society of Mumbai. Colonel Thomas Copper redesigned this and was a special of this. As you can see, this all pillar are made in London and they assemble here. This white architecture is more than 200-year old. Can you believe this? It just look like a fresh. Now our next location is just front of Asiatic Society of Mumbai. As you can see, there are a lot of curved building over here. The left side is all a building and my right side is Harniman Circle. And few years ago, it's known as Elephantus Road, and now it's called Harniman Circle. They all are building more than 150-year old, which is made by built by British, and many big banks head office is here. India's oldest bank, State Bank of India head office is here, and they all our buildings look like amazing architectures, and it's really look like your drive in a mini London. Our next destination is just 1 kilometer away from here. There is a Gate of India, which is most attractive tourism place in Mumbai. It was show the culture of incredible India. Let's talk about the history of Gate of India. But before we start, do you know how old is this? 100 year, more than 200 year. Let's start the history. Early 1911, London King Mr. George and the Queen Mary came in India from this Apollo Bandar. For tribute this journey, they made this beautiful Gate of India. Mr. George Whitted designed this beautiful Gate of India in early 1913, and Mr. Rao Bahadur Yashwantrao Desai made it in 1924. Yes, you are right. British designed this gate of India, but Indian made this in real life. This is the answer. This architecture is just 97-year old. Yes, you may be shocked, but it's just 97-year old. Its design look like a ancient building, like more than 100 and 200-year old, but it's just 97-year old. One more interesting thing is the last Britisher left India from here. Right side you can see this beautiful, the Taj Mahal Palace is heritage 5-star luxury hotel. Mr. Jamshedji Tata, we know that the Tata founder, they opened this in 1903. These beautiful iconic hotels still look like a fresh new building. It's now 118-year old, but still look a gorgeous, beautiful 5-star hotel. India's famous architecture Sitaram Vidya and D.N. Mirza built this beautiful architecture.